the FBI, to me, took the unusual step of putting out a news release asking for photos and videos from Yellowstone National Park. I don't know if I'd ever seen anything like that. I'm sure it's happened, but and there was a specific website where people could go and upload their photos and videos.
Yeah.
Was the investigation at that point leading toward Yellowstone?
Yeah.
It was.
Yeah. And we were wrong on that. But we had worked very hard to try to identify a point in time that was our last known verifiable time that both of those children were alive. And we had various ways to do that. But through the iCloud, we had photos and videos that were dated, so we knew as of certain dates that Tylee and JJ were both alive. And then we looked, okay, what beyond that date can we find? And so we were able to establish what we believe was the last known sightings of both of those children, independent of one another. With Tylee, we had these photographs and videos that were taken around the Old Faithful site in Yellowstone. But as we tracked the travel of Alex and Lori and JJ and Tylee that day, we had some video of them arriving at the park, but it doesn't clearly show everybody who's in the truck. Right. And then we could see their travel throughout the park. And we had no idea if Tylee left the park alive. We knew she was at a certain place in the park at a certain time, and that's what we knew. And so then we could see additional travel and then exiting, and there was some strange deviations on the way back home as well. And so, it's an enormous national park,
right,
with lots of animals and lots of
hot
geysers and remote places. And so we spent a lot of time coordinating with the park authorities, and we had actually made arrangements to go into the park before it opened the next season to conduct a pretty massive, what was being prepped for a pretty massive search operation inside Yellowstone.
Wow.
Fortunately, we didn't have to do that. But it's a great demonstration of the complexity of this case. I mean, it's just that single piece, that one undertaking. It would have been unimaginable, to most people, how much effort that takes to contemplate searching an area that size.